So welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Telegram account. So let's dive right into the video. So you need to go into your Telegram app like this. So the first step you need to take here on your Telegram app is to click on the three line icon at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on that like this, you need to scroll and click on settings. You can see the settings option right here. So when you click on that, you just need to scroll to the bottom here. You're going to see where it says privacy and security below settings. So go ahead and click on privacy and security. When you do that, just scroll gently like this and you're going to see the option of delete my account. So if you click on that like this, so when you click on that, you are going to be able to delete your Telegram account using self-destruct if inactive. Now what this actually means is that if you select 6 months, if you are not active on Telegram for 6 months, your account and all the messages on your Telegram is automatically going to be deleted. Now if you select 1 month, your account is actually going to be deleted after 1 month if you remain inactive on Telegram. So you can simply go ahead and change it to 1 month like this and delete the Telegram app from your device. Forget about the Telegram app, and after 1 month it is automatically going to be deleted. Now that account, you're going to be able to lose all the messages on that account and lose the account entirely. So this is what you can actually do in order for you to be able to delete your Telegram account currently. There is no option here currently that allows you to automatically delete it without waiting for a certain period. Right guys, like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.